This video shows how to rub fat into flour, called rubbing in. It is used for recipes such as fruit crumbles, pastry, and scones. Sift the flour into a bowl, using the side of your hand to help. Then, add pieces of cold butter or baking fat into the flour. Cover the pieces of fat in the flour. Using the tips of your fingers and thumbs, gently rub the fat into the flour until it looks like breadcrumbs. To keep the flour cool and light, lift the flour up above the bowl when rubbing in. Gently shake the bowl from time to time to see if there are any large lumps. Remember, make sure that the fat is cold. Use the tips of your fingers and thumbs to rub in. Gently shake the bowl to check for large pieces. Rub in until it looks like breadcrumbs.